You're welcome to our next video on the series of advancing your skills or computer practicals, question and answer, advancing your skills in computer practicals. We are still on the series of Microsoft Word. As I told you, we shall be covering in the most of the Office applications. Without talking too much, today's question goes as: using a word processing application of your choice, typeset the following text as it appears. Which means you have to open your Microsoft Word document, to your start menu, search for Word, depends on the version you're using, you open it. And opening it, I'm going to expand. I click blank document, then I can write in what I'm seeing here. But for the matter of time, I'm going to be copying this, and I'm going to reach here and we see how we insert bullets in our document. I have some text I wrote here. I'm going to copy up to here. Don't copy, write. The more you write, the more you get a good practice of what you're doing. I'm going to paste it. Now these are called bullets, these ones, and bullets, we use them in a kind of when you want to create a list of items. It can be a list of your groceries, it can be a list of anything that you're trying to create. And to add bullets in our document, it is so simple. You come here up under the paragraph group, then you will see the first row. It has most of the bullets, then the numbering and the multi-level list. These are all lists, these three icons. But we are interested in these bullets. You see these ones. You click on this drop down, click it to access the bullets or the bullet library and choose a bullet you want. I'm going to choose this. Then I'll write my first word, which is title bar. And after writing it, if I want to go to the next bullet on my list, I'll just press enter and it will automatically add a bullet. You can go like that. And so on. Now after finishing your list, and you can just press enter and press enter again, it will take you out of the bullet effect, that you can continue writing your text. And that's how you insert bullets. I told you, want this not to be boring, which means I always want to make it short as possible. I'm going to paste this list I just copied. Then I'm going to add bullets to this list. I'm going to select it, come here under the bullets, click that drop down, select the bullet I'm interested in, click it, and it will take effect just like that. You go to the first instruction, which says copy and paste your work on page 2 of your document. In the last video we saw how to copy work and pasting it on another document. We're going to do that. I told you the first thing you have to do is to select your whole document or your whole text that you want to copy. After selecting it, you can either come here and right click and click copy, or you can come under the clipboard click copy, or you can press Ctrl and C button. You can also copy. A lot of ways to kill it, right? Then after, unselect your selection, and then you're going to press Ctrl and enter. You can see the keyboard shortcut down here. It's going to be Ctrl plus enter. That is 1. It told us how many pages on page 2 of your document, which means we only need to create 1 page. Then after, come on your second page. Then you are going to paste. I told you there's a lot of ways to paste. You can either click here on the clipboard, click paste, it will paste, or you can right click and click paste, it will do it, or you can press Ctrl and V on your keyboard, Ctrl and V, it will paste. Yeah. Then now you have 2 copies of your work on the first page and on the second page. Finished that, insert a heading on processors. I told you to insert a heading, or how to insert a heading. We want to create a space here above our first sentence or our first paragraph, but we can't edit, we can't bring our mouse here because the margin, the top margin, it starts from here, which means we are going to move this paragraph down so that we get space up. You bring your cursor here, you press enter, then you can bring your cursor at the top, and then you can write the heading you are provided with, which is word processors. Yeah, finish that. Center, double, underline, bold, and set your heading to title case. Okay, you select your heading, you bold it, click that's bold, it's bolded, double underline. You come here under the U, click this drop down, choose the 2 lines, which is double underline, center align it, come under the paragraph, click that, it is now in the center of the paper. Then the title case, you come under the change case, click that, and then you choose the uppercase, click that, so that it looks like that. Then change the heading font color to red with a blue highlight marker. Change the heading font color to red, select it, go under the font color here, click it, choose red color. Then they have told us to have a blue highlight marker, select it, go under the marker, this one, text highlight, click that, choose the color you want, blue, you can leave it like that. That's the question. Then drop cap the first letter in paragraph 1. This is our paragraph 1. They want us to drop cap the first letter. All you have to do, come to the first letter, select it, make sure it is selected, go to insert, then come under the text group, click on this icon, which is add drop cap. You can click on add drop cap, then click dropped, and that's it. Format the bulleted outline into 2 columns. How do you do that? You select your bulleted outline and you are going to turn it into 2 columns. How do you do that? Select the selection you want to add the columns, come to layout, under columns, choose 2. And that's how it should look like. It's divided now into 2 columns, 1 column, second column, simple like that. Add your name and footer, add your name as the footer and your class as header. How do you do that? Come to insert, go under header and footer, click header, choose the first option, in the list that you are provided with. Choose that, write your name, then you go to the footer by clicking here, go to footer, you write your class. Then after, close header and footer, click that. Alright, then insert a page number at the top of each page in the format of I. Okay, to insert a page number, come to insert, go to page number. They are specifically showed us to have Roman numerals at the format. Go to page number, click format page number. Under the number format, click the drop down, choose the Roman numerals, click it, then click OK. Come back to page number, click it. They said at the top of the page, click that. I'll go with this one, click it. But see, when I click it and I close, my header is gone. And so how do I do that? Come to insert, and all you have to do is to come. Okay, you can, there's an easy way. You can just double click inside the header, and then you are going to first left align, then you write your name again. Then after, you press tab on your keyboard to bring this Roman numeral in the center, and then you can close your header and footer by going to design, close header and footer. That's it. Save your work as word processors, word_processors, and print a copy. Come to file, save, browse, look for your folder on the desktop, computer question and answer, Word. Here they said word_processors. Yep, save it and you're done. Otherwise, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to comment where you haven't understood. We meet in another video.